We're leaving together, but still it's farewell. And maybe we'll come back to Earth, who can tell? I guess there is no one to blame. We're leaving ground. Will things ever be the same again? It's the final countdown. Oh, the final countdown. We're heading for Venus, and still we stand tall. 'Cause maybe they've seen us and welcome us all. Hey, how you doing? So many light years to go, and things to be found. I'm sure that we'll all miss her so. It's the final countdown. The final countdown. Whoa. Do-do-do. Do-do-do. The final countdown. Zubabadwao, final counting down. Zubabadweeda, zubadabadida, zubadabadada-da-do. Zubabazweeda, skibbity-boppity-bop-bow. He's a ding-dong daddy from Dumas. And you wanna see me show my stuff? Whoa, 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 whoa. Final countdown. The final countdown.
Good morning. Good morning. It's the final countdown. What's going on, guys? How you doing? Thought I'd throw that out there. That was fun. I enjoyed it. Good morning. How you doing? Welcome to Lunar Beaches Crypto, where we ride the waves of the crypto market all the way to the moon or to the ground, you know, whichever way that the crypto rolling at the time. Oh man, what's going on, guys? Good morning, good morning, good morning, Blackie Chan. I see you in the chats. Your call was half right yesterday. Which part was half? What was the half part? So we were both thinking that we were going to get some more downside. Um, I personally did not expect it to come so soon. Bring on the fear. Yes, bring on the fear. Fear and greed index, speaking of which, is sitting at 49. So it's a bit neutral. Maybe after this little push down last night, maybe that'll get us down a little more. We shall see. It is Monday, though, June 24th, 2024. Last week of June. Yesterday, we went over how this is a pretty important week for the markets. We need to start setting a different trend before we go into Q3. The down was right. The price point was wrong. Gotcha. Let's go to the charts, shall we? Here we go. This is it. This is the level. This is the one that's got to hold for me, personally. This has got to hold. Now, we lose this, and it's kind of... things get a little iffy. Things get a little iffy if we lose this demand area. I mean, we still have one more technically, but I'd rather not lose this level right here. I don't want to lose 60K. Excuse me. Don't want to lose 60K. But this is a little concerning. I want to see a little bit more under the hood. All right, so we did get some liquidations in here with our open interest falling on this hourly candle here. Pretty nice fall. Now, if I zoom out a little bit, we can see that we're still nowhere near the lows of our open interest over here. So we still have a little more that we could wipe out, but our open interest does take in both shorts and longs. So this can push down. Remember, as open interest positions get closed, this pushes down. So this can still push up as it's liquidating shorts in order to get that open interest to push down. So first reaction to this, let's move this over a little bit. I have to say it's a little concerning because we didn't wipe out as much as I would have liked. However, the fact that it's holding up makes me think that obviously, but a good chunk of what is left in our open interest is shorts. The only issue that I see is I don't see any news. This just kind of happened, right? Typically, I like to see some type of news that helps mark the bottom. But yeah, I didn't see anything in the news that piqued my interest or that I felt like was just absolutely necessary to know about. Of course, that was through the TradingView news. So if there's something else somewhere else that I'm unaware of, let me know. Because I didn't see anything crazy. BTC tanks to 61K as long-awaited Mt. Gox repayments to begin in July. Oh, there it is. What is this? Let's see. Bitcoin tanks to 61K. Yeah, we just read that. On June 24th, the Mt. Gox Rehabilitation Trustee issued a letter regarding repayments to creditors commencing at the beginning of July 2024. We're still under the thumb of the Mt. Gox repayments. The Rehabilitation Trustee has been preparing to make repayments in Bitcoin and Bitcoin Cash under the rehabilitation plan, it stated. The move comes after extensive preparations to ensure safe and compliant repayments it added. Additionally, the process involved technical safeguards, adherence to various countries' financial regulations, and discussions with cryptocurrency exchanges. According to the letter, repayments will be made through trading platforms, starting with those that have completed the necessary information exchange and confirmation process with trustee. Let's see, some of the larger creditors of the bank. Mt. Gox became insolvent after a hack that led to the theft of 850,000 Bitcoin valued at 460 million at the time of the incident. I don't see, $9 billion worth of Bitcoin repayments. So there it is. That is that is a headline. I don't know why that would be a headline that drives price down though. I don't know. Doesn't seem like it to me. Bitcoin developer unveils ups for enhanced DeFi on BTC. No, I don't see anything too crazy. So, I don't know. Bitcoin still moving to the downside. Just a little bit. Let's go down to the 5-minute, check it out. All right, so if we are to get a reversal, this thing really needs to get going. The fact that this didn't have a big reaction, big bounce is concerning. Not really, honestly, liking. It's looking kind of weak. It's unfortunate. Where's our Dixie? What's our Dixie doing? Our Dixie dumped 2? Well, that's interesting. But look. Oh, man. It could keep going. Took out this low. It could have a retrace. Let's go to a total 3. Zoom out. Is that our spring? How are some of the altcoins doing? That's what I can do. Let's go over to Coinbase. Change. Anything popping off? We got FET is up 5%. Near. Looks like we have a handful of AI tokens kind of pushing right now. And that brings me to my next segment. Hey, Melissa, one love. Good morning. What percent of Mt. Gox people are going to turn around and sell in a bull market, though? When else would you sell? Why would you sell in a bear market? And why wouldn't you sell when the price is in the 60Ks when you were hacked it was like $300? I don't know what percent of them would sell, but if I was a Mt. Gox holder and I got Bitcoin today, I would consider selling some of it for sure. You got to think about that increase. Why would you sell in the middle? Because we've already 20x from when I bought, or from 2014, if not more. That's why I would sell. Why would I sell in the middle of a bull market when Bitcoin has maybe one more 100% move, while many altcoins have 5 to 10x's in them? Yeah, definitely. I would definitely sell in the middle of a bull market. That is when you sell, is in the middle of a bull market. Because your other option is sell in the middle of a bear market, which you don't do. You buy in a bear market. Definitely would start to DCA out of my Mt. Gox holdings. For sure. That's just me, though. Everybody's different. But I would definitely be selling right now if I got Bitcoin from Mt. Gox. Yeah. Pretty pretty easy for me, man. What? 2014? 2014. Was Coinbase even selling Bitcoin then? Barely. Down in here. I think this is a Mt. Gox hack, actually. Well, some alts are at bear market lows, so yeah, great time to buy them, right? Even if they're at bear market lows, they will still outperform Bitcoin the rest of the cycle. If they're a strong project, of course. But, and they're not like something that got rugged. I mean, if we start over here, yeah, it was like a few $100s. Like, you're talking about a 264% increase in your money. Is that right? Is my I can't do math this early in the morning. Yeah, 264x. What? I mean, if you had like 1,000 Bitcoin, just show up in your wallet. Times 61,000. I mean, so you're talking about just 1,000. I say just 1,000, but back then it was just 1,000 Bitcoin. It'd be worth $61 million. Just 1,000 Bitcoin. Okay. Yeah, I'm selling. What are you talking about? Yes, of course I'm selling. 10 times 61,000. So just 10 Bitcoin and I got $610,000. I mean, yeah. Yeah, of course I'm selling. What? Anyway. Let's see. What are you saying over here? Well, some alts are bear market lows. I did some shopping 2 weeks ago, so I'm super salty, even after charting 60K and lower BTC. I'm not even going to say what else y'all are talking about over there. Y'all are crazy. So, yeah, we just still are just maintaining here, guys. 61,150. I want to see this thing turn into a lot more of a bounce here. Making me a little nervous. Not really, but we are seeing some alts kind of having some bounces a little bit, maybe. We got Lido Dow, we've got Ribbon Finance, whatever this is. Muse, look at that little bounce. Galaxy, Project Galaxy. I don't know that I've heard of that one. Is that Galaxy Digital? MLN Enzyme. Alchemy Pay, ACH. Oh, look at that. Hit my average buy. That's super old. What is this? Vulcan Forged. This must be a gaming. How many of these are gamings and AI? Yeah. I mean, some of these are just kind of holding their lows. Some of them are putting in new lows. Bounce. Because we did see on our, what is it? Wait, that was Ondo. Everybody likes Ondo, putting in those equal lows. Oh, cool. This looks like a distribution top. Ondo's cooked. Ondo is absolutely cooked. Maybe it'll come back down. We do have this nice, consolidation range here that could hold it up. Could be its floor. But I wouldn't be surprised to see Ondo do this, because this is kind of a distribution top in here. So, so would not be surprised to see Ondo come back down. maybe come back down to this fib line at 0.8454 and test that that range for support right there. We'll see how that goes. For Ondo, everything's just kind of bleeding a little bit. Below my average buy on that one. Ruh-roh, Raggy. What's the news? Why are we dying right now? Oh no, if only we expected this. Oh, we kind of did. I didn't expect it to start at the beginning of the week. I thought we would get a little bit into the week before. I thought we would get a little bounce and then get like a correction to catch people off guard, but nope. They just went ahead and said, sayonara. We're going to dump price on you. And yeah. Nice big volume spike though. That's what I like to see. I like to see the volume spiking on big moves like that. That's a pretty big spike. Let's see if it can see how it compares. Pretty nice spike. Why is this one so? Oh, you're supposed to be down here. Let's see. Yeah, so big spike relative to this one. So we kind of are seeing a little bit of that, a little bit of volume divergence in here, where our volume is coming down. Actually, that's not a volume divergence. I misspoke. Well, we're pushing further down, but the volume isn't keeping up. Isn't the same as it was back here, right? So that is a little bit kind of a divergence. If this was a histogram where it showed columns on the bottom for the negative and columns on the top for the positive, this would be diverted because it would be upside down. Oh, reevaluating my entire outlook on trading and portfolio management. This is my first full cycle, learning so much. Yep. Technically, I've been through a full cycle. Technically. But because like this is like right here, right before. See, we've already broken an all-time high, but let's pretend like we haven't. Let's pretend like we haven't, because it's like right here is when I got in to crypto in 2020 in December. And I want to say Bitcoin broke its all-time high that December, just a little bit after I got in. 2021 December. It's not going to be on this chart. Excuse me. Happy to be here. Finally, 5:30 in the morning. It's a little chill. This morning. Acting where it's that's what I'm here for though. I'm here to wake you up, Buttercup. This is my third cycle. Nothing scares me anymore. I don't ever get scared anymore. I stopped being scared after that May dump. I wasn't even really scared during this. I think I had already conquered my fear by then. Well, I hadn't really conquered my fear because there's different ways to have fear. So one reason why people can't hold on to winning trades is because they're afraid. No one ever went broke taking profits. Why are you afraid? Yeah, December that year, 2020. And I got in right here. December 4th, 2020. This is when I got in. So you have the fear of missing out on your profits. You don't want to sell, or rather, you don't want to close your long position or your short position. Or you do close it, sorry. You close your long position or your short position. You close too early because you're afraid that you're going to lose those profits. Right? You don't want to lose the profits. So you close the trade early. And then what ends up happening a lot of the times? It continues to run in your direction. And then you trick yourself into thinking, oh, well, at least I took profits. Yeah, but you just missed out on so much more. Right? Let's try to not miss out on stuff, right? Let's try to make a little extra cheese, because that is what makes up for the losses. As long as you're not adding to your losses, it's Gucci. I don't see us taking out the 55K low. Good morning. Just about to hit another afternoon for me. Good morning, Hodster. Good morning. Yeah, I got in the absolute top. Could not have timed the top more perfectly if I tried. Only I was a buyer. Well, somebody's got to buy the top, okay? And it just so happened to be you last time. Hello. More cheese, please. Who moved my cheese? What are y'all talking about right now? Your cheese. So we did fall out of this trend. Is it over? Is it over? No, we're still in this range here, and as long as we're still holding this range, I mean, we're still fine. We really don't want to lose this low right here at 56.4. Lose that one, and and I mean a close below. When I say lose it, I mean a close below it, not a spike down and a push back up. I mean a close below it. Who took a bite of the cheese? I ate the cheese because cheese is good. Who moved my cheese? Is this a type of book? What are y'all talking about? That's a book, by the way. Who took a bite of the cheese? Y'all are tripping me out over here. The cheese, the cheddar, the moolah. I don't know what's going on about cheese. You guys are funny. Let's see. I did want to show you guys something pretty interesting, pretty cool. Let's go to here. Let's go to futures. Yeah. Don't know what you crazies are talking about, but I still love you. Market. Sector performance. This is what I want to see. All right. So surprisingly, for the last month, the worst performing sector is the AI tokens. Then we have our layer 2s, Ethereum layer 2s. Then we have our dynos. This includes Bitcoin Cash, BSV, Dash, EOS, Ethereum Classic, Litecoin, XCM, XLM, Monero, and XRP. Let's see. DeFi. We have DeFi, some 1inch and Aave and CRV and stuff like that. Actually holding it up pretty well. This one has been seeing a pretty steep decline. This is your meme coin sector, and it is starting to fall below AI. AI was the lowest, but it's starting to fall. And memes are about to get hit super hard. They always get hit the hardest anyway. And then here's your layer 1s, really holding up pretty well relative to the rest of the market. But if we go over here and we look at the AI tokens, we're seeing they actually have been getting a little bit of a bounce. And this is something that I kind of was expecting is I think the AI narrative is going to continue, and we are going to see the AI tokens continue to push. They're finishing up their corrections at the same time that Bitcoin is. So they're going to turn around and reverse, and then, yeah. I don't know. I got some good sleep. My wife had to shove me this morning in the back because my alarm was going off and I wasn't waking up. I don't know what I was thinking in my head. Maybe it's like, you know, just got stuff going on in my head. Hola, French toaster. What's going on, man? How are you doing, Mr. Frenchy? French of the toaster? French of the toaster? Yeah, nothing really on the news front, guys. So, I mean, it's a little bit of a boring week, probably, outside of Thursday. So Thursday we have, I believe it's Thursday, when we have the GDP. Yeah, GDP, final GDP quarter over quarter, and unemployment claims at 8:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time this Thursday. Definitely watch the markets then. Didn't think we would get this dump until then, so now I'm just kind of scratching my head. Still have these equal highs up here. Equal highs still need to be taken out. Yeah. I mean, we just gotta hold. Just gotta hold. Stay in the range, and we will be fine. Stay in the range, and we will be fine. Do we have any? Let's see. Any kind of divergences in here? Let me get rid of this thing. RSI. RSI. We're on the daily. The Dally. Oh. Ooh. 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 Juicy. This low to this low. And we are pushing into oversold. This is a bullish divergence. Yes, yes. Come to the dark side. Oh no. Oh, I never do this, but can I get some prayers from y'all for my buddy Thomas? He broke his pelvis in a motorcycle accident last night. Oh, absolutely, man. I hate to hear that. Prayers up for Thomas. Yeah. He's laid up in a hospital bed right now. They had to do emergency surgery last night. Oof. Hate to hear that. Hope he gets better soon. The sooner, the better. Hoping for a speedy recovery. Oh, wishing for a speedy recovery, says Hodge Store. Praying for your friend, man. All right, let's see. What are our mining stocks looking like? Good. I am super yawny this morning. What's going on? Okay. Mining stocks, Clean Spark. Still ranging. Nothing crazy. Oh man, what a boring morning. Need a little bit more stuff to develop here. I would like to see a bounce, man. It is not doing the bounce though. I need to start seeing some quick movements in here. That's it, man. Just need to start seeing some impulses to the upside. And I mean, Ethereum, no. It's looking weak, dog. It's looking weak. I don't like it. Just to be honest. Um, but Maker is near its bot again. Could have a huge swing back up near its bot. Oh, bottom? Ooh, SUV. Mm. Maker. Let's take a look at Maker. Zoom out. See, this is what I was talking about, kind of with Ondo. Came back down to that previous consolidation range. So that could be its floor, especially after a wick like this. That could be its floor. It hasn't gotten into overbought, but it doesn't necessarily have to. We can still see moves up, even if it doesn't go in there. But after a correction, you typically would like to see some type of something like this, right? Some type of bull div come in here and really push it to the upside. I mean, it's not necessary. The key is just creating higher highs and higher lows to set the trend. So that is what we're looking for on just about everything, is we are looking for price to start making higher highs and higher lows. Zoom out to the weekly on Bitcoin, and we are still putting in higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. This is it. This is it. Really, I don't think we need to take this low out. I don't think we need to take this low out. I don't think we can take this low out and be okay. Now that I really think about it, because then we're creating a new low. Yeah, closing below it would definitely help confirm that, but I don't know if that's necessary. But a push to the upside from here would definitely help us out, because then we're creating that higher low, and then we are creating a higher high, which is what we want to see. We want to create higher lows and higher highs if we are to continue. Now, for those that believe that we are going into this bull market is going into, for Bitcoin, is going into 2025, then this correction, you would want to see this correction kind of continue. You might want to see this low taken out, because then we're looking at heading down to your 50K. We break this low, we're heading down to 50K. More likely than not. Minimum 50,500. 58K bottom. I mean, it's possible. 58K bottom is possible. So, the good thing is we're not overheated. We're still above the 50 on our zero line on our RSI. Or at least the 50 line on our RSI. It's done a little differently. D. Jenny from the blockchain. Good morning, Wave Riders. Praying for Thomas. Look at that. Look at that. Beautiful. Man, I love this community. This beautiful crypto community. So yeah. If you think this bull market is going into 2025, then this consolidation lasting even longer, and possibly this coming down here and us doing a little more of some consolidation before heading back to the upside. I mean, that would make sense to me. Excuse me. But I don't know. This just looks like a giant bull flag that's just taken forever. It's just taken forever to correct. falling 3 method. I was thinking that we could get a nice boring consolidation week until the very end of the week. So I don't know. Not the bounce that I wanted to see. It's tall. You gonna dump some more, bro? It looks like it. It just doesn't look strong at all. Doesn't look strong at all. Looks hella weak, bro. Hella weak. So yeah, Bitcoin's weak. Just gotta hold. Gotta hold. This does. I don't. Let's see. I believe we're at the value area low here. Take this range. Ooh, we're below the value area low. And what about this dip? Okay, definitely below the value area low there. And what about this range here? So definitely below the value area low there. Do have this volume node here where I've got this trend line. Move this over. Yeah, still have that value area low there and here. So there's one here at about 59.2 and then down here at about 57.1. Have this little divot in here. Would not be surprised to see price slide down into this little notch right here at about 59.7. Maybe get a little bit of a bounce. 60K, I just think 60K needs to hold. And hold as in not get a close below 60K. As long as we hold above 60K and on the daily, preferably also the 4 hour, but definitely the daily, as long as we close above 60K on the daily, it's okay. We're still fine. It's the final countdown. It's the final countdown. This is it. This is it. We've got to hold price. Not close below 60K on the daily. Get a bounce. And we're good. We're done. Alts are holding up pretty okay, relatively speaking. Of course, they're barely off. Most of them are barely off of their bear market lows and are backtesting their bear market lows or bear market highs. So yeah, look at the weekly chart. This consolidation looks like nothing in the grand scheme of things. Same for the daily chart. Yes, indeed. Especially when you look at the 3-month chart like I was looking at yesterday. Where's my everything Bitcoin? Which one of you? I think this one's, no, this one's the Bitstamp. Yep. Zoom out to the 3-month. You can see, let me turn off this. There you go. I mean, you got this itty bitty consolidation candle that we're in right now. And it's like, all right, calm down, guys. It's going to be okay. Until this thing just goes, shoop. I don't think that's going to happen. I'm just saying. Let's go to the monthly. All right. Now this, that's interesting. Didn't take out this high though. Created an equal high. And equal highs love to be taken. Can't even see. There we go. There you go. All right. That's it. We've topped. We're going to the ground. We're going to zero. We're going to Middle Earth. It's over. Yeah, and we just fell below 61. It's all over. Oh no. There's crying in crypto. Why are you gonna cry? You just gotta be patient, friend. Just be patient. Zero. 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 No. We're dying again. There we go. All right. Anyways. Oh, it's been a stream. It's been a stream. But where's Dan Pena? It's going to effing zero. Zero. You know who runs Bitcoin? Putin. Putin. I'm ready for all the clickbait today. Open mouth thumbnails and all. Oh no, we're dying. I'm going to have to stay off. Doomsday. I already saw one. The open mouth thumbnail king. Popped up on my recommended. I didn't think I followed him. I mean, I used to follow him back in the day, but do you know who it is without me saying? Nope, not Ran. He actually didn't do open mouth on this one. But almost everything is an emergency with this guy. Chris. Crypto. Today for the Bitcoin price. Today for the Bitcoin price. Lay off the cocaine. Today, allegedly, he hasn't even been alleged of being on cocaine. He just does all this. Am I still subscribed? Yeah, I am. Okay. Where's my crypto? Where's my crypto YouTube? Let me just type in crypto, see what comes up. No idea who MM Crypto is? That's kind of surprising, considering you are a big boy fan. Why Germany is selling billions of Bitcoin. Why? Cryptos R Us. Is it Eric Crown? Ah. Some guy, the final countdown. Some Lunar Beaches crypto guy. No idea who that is. I like how I popped up on the fourth one down when you type in crypto. What's up? Massive bounce for Bitcoin and altcoins soon. This is very bad for Bitcoin. Death of crypto in America. Will Bitcoin end central banking? Altcoin bloodbath ending? Oh, okay. Will it get worse? Crypto banter. Bitcoin emergency. Momentum is shifting in crypto. 98% will lose everything. It'd be it wouldn't be funny if it wasn't predictable. You know what I mean? Anyway, thank you for joining me. Heading to the hot Fiat mine. Whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. 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 We're not there yet. Streamlabs. Take a chill pill. Give me about 30 seconds. See you later, Black Chan. Have a great day. Have a good morning. Thank you for joining me as always. Don't forget that like button on your way out. I know you already probably did. So yeah, a little bit of a slow stream this morning, but price action is a little slow. Not too much on the news. I mean, it was just Mount Gox stuff. Like, I don't know. I don't know. It's kind of boring. Just like it has been for the past few weeks, past few months, just kind of boring. So just be patient. We're just waiting for it to set a new trend. High lows, higher highs, and higher lows. That's what we want to see. So anyways, yeah, I guess I'll see you guys in the chats. I'll try to find a trade somewhere. We'll see. But anyways, thank you guys for joining me. I hope you all have an amazing, beautiful, wonderful, radical day. Don't forget. I don't know what I was going to say. I forgot what I was going to say. Anyways, don't forget, you're awesome and amazing, and do something nice for somebody today. Yeah, be to give someone a compliment or something. I don't know. Just be a reason someone smiles today. But anyway, thank you guys. I love you all. Have a radical day. Peace out. What was all that glitching? Goodbye.